Hey, my friend, up there in Maine, 122, skip shooter in the Carolinas, waving the hand.
Hey, skip shooter, you do it like that. Absolutely gonna see if we can wave a hand right back at you. You absolutely got a whole lot of Mother Nature rolling this way. Skip shooter, welcome to Maine.
Roger, my friend. Yeah, I just come in here and turned the radio up. I had the volume turned down on it, man. I turned it up, and you guys up there in the northeast corner.
Before you run, 169, gonna try to wave 15.
Thought I'd key up, see if I had the conditions to get back. Skip shooter, 357 Magnum, waving the hand.
Oh, and you're getting back in fine style, Skip Shooter. I gotta tell you, you're sounding good up here in the corner, no doubt about that. Skip Shooter, I'm glad you did. I like hearing you doing what you're doing to my receive, no doubt about it. 357 Magnum, Skip Shooter, got it going on. 122 to letting you know.
122, I appreciate it, man. Hey, 122, take care, my friend. I'll get out of the way here. I'll sit back, see what I hear. I just heard your number in there.
152,
Happy February to you. Take care. You sounding good down here in my receive also. And this D-Roll modified striker, 955. Skip shooter, 357 Magnum. We're sitting by.
And I got it all. And I got it all, 'cause you said it all. You take care, Skip Shooter. We'll do it again. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
Yeah, hello, 999. Hey, 999, with that big old wave, let me wave right back at you. 999, sounding good. Sounding good. Carolina Mountain, skip shooter, waving right back.
169, waving.
Traffic live, waving dog in the back.
Good on the corner. 8059, Yardbird with the wave, getting out of your way.
Alright, 999, take care up there, man. 152, heard you in there too. 152, heard you in there. And boy, there's a whole lot of big old radios queuing up in that northeast corner this evening. Good day to you, fellas, all of you. Sounding real good down here in the Blue Mountains in North Carolina. Skip shooter, 357 Magnum, sitting by.
169, letting you know.
I got you out there, man.
Talk show.
Hi, guys. It was a little bit of a train wreck that time, but I did hear you guys come back to me, so good evening to you up there. We'll go back to 10-6, listen, see if we can pick up some numbers. So good afternoon to everybody up in the corner. Skip shooter, 357 Magnum, we're on the side.
Oh, those numbers would be 122. Skip Shooter. Those numbers that you're trying to pick up would be 122. And we're out of the road. You take care. Well, I heard somebody up there say I cleaned up their receive for them real good, and that's good. We like to do a cleanup on aisle 28 every once in a while. But then number one keyed up. Boy, when number one keyed up, he just kind of took over my receive. So, good evening to you. In the northeast corner, they call me the skip shooter, 357 Magnum, and I'm sitting by. Still got the hammer, Skip Shooter. You still got the hammer rolling into the corner. 122 in and out. 122. I appreciate it, man. Hey, I appreciate you cleaning up my receive. We ain't running too big a hammer down here, but we do have this big old long 40-foot 7-element flat side pointed up toward that northeast corner. So, sounding good down here, 122, and all the rest of the 28 good time game. Y'all have a good evening. They call me the skip shooter, and I'm sitting by.
got it all. And I got it all because you are clearing it up. You absolutely got some real good Mother Nature rolling this way. On that, we are going to gather the road and just let the old video gate roll. Skip Shooter, always a pleasure. 122 back out.
Well, 122, I appreciate it, man. Well, you know what that is. You know why I've got it all under control up there right now. There's one or two things are happening. I've either got real good conditions, or all them big hammers down here around North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia ain't a keying down, because if them big boys get in there with their big toys, I'll have to get over in the corner and sit and listen. So, A122, good evening. And Skip Shooter, 357 Magnum on the side.
And I got it all. Click, click.
The northeast corner is smoking. I just switched antennas on down here on this vertical 5 again, man. You guys are rocking down this way. Yeah, 289 Sling B, working this mountain here.
Mr. Alley-oop. You have a good evening up there and enjoy the DX. You guys in the northeast corner are strolling down here in the Carolinas.
399.
Skip Shooter, 399. Mini Mall. I call it my mini mall. I'll see you. We're sitting by.
Come on back, start your own